Practical chemistry. Identification of gases. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen gas, ammonia gas, chlorine, hydrogen chloride gas. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper. Sulfur dioxide turns orange potassium dichromate paper green and also turns pink potassium permanganate paper white. Nitrogen dioxide has a peculiar characteristic of reddish brown color. Hydrogen sulfide turns lead acetate paper black. Hydrogen chloride forms dense white fumes of ammonium chloride with a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution. Ammonia forms dense white fumes of ammonium chloride with a glass rod dipped in concentrated HCl. Chlorine gas turns moist blue litmus red and finally bleaches the paper. Also turns starch iodide paper blue-black. Heating effect on carbonate. Zinc carbonate. The color of the residue is yellow when hot and white when cold. Copper carbonate leaves black residue on heating. Gas evolved in both the cases is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is produced which turns lime water milky but has no effect on K2Cr2O7 paper. Heating effect on nitrate. Zinc nitrate on heating leaves yellow residue when hot and white when cold. Copper nitrate leaves on heating black residue, and lead nitrate on heating leaves yellow residue. The gas evolved in the above three is nitrogen dioxide, which is a brown gas, and it rekindles a glowing splint. Heating effect on hydrated salt. Colorless, odorless vapor given off which condenses to colorless liquid on the cooler part of the test tube. The condensed liquid turns blue cobalt chloride paper pink. Heating effect on hydrated salts. Colorless, odorless vapor given off which condenses to colorless liquid on the cooler part of the test tube. The condensed liquid turns blue cobalt chloride paper pink. The blue copper sulfate crystals turns white. Reactions involved: CuSO4.5H2O, copper sulfate pentahydrate, blue color, on heating gives CuSO4 plus 5H2O. Here CuSO4 is anhydrous copper sulfate which is white in color. Example 2. Na2CO3.10H2O on heating gives Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. Sodium carbonate decahydrate is white in color, and also anhydrous sodium carbonate NO2CO3 is also white in color. Heating effect on ammonium dichromate. Orange sparks are observed. Orange ammonium dichromate decomposes leaving green residue. NH4 whole twice Cr2O7 on heating gives Cr2O3 plus N2 plus 4H2O. Heating effect on iodine. Iodine sublimes on heating leaving no residue. Purple vapors are observed. Heating effect on ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride sublimes on heating. White sublimate is observed. Action of dilute acid. Action of dilute acid on carbonate. Brisk effervescence, gas evolved turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper, that is, gas is carbon dioxide. Action of dilute acid on sulphate. Observation is brisk effervescence, gas evolved turns orange potassium dichromate paper pink and pink KMnO4 paper white. Thus, gas evolved is sulfur dioxide. Action of dilute acid on sulphide. Brisk effervescence, Gas evolved as rotten egg melts and turns lead acetate paper black. Thus the gas evolved is hydrogen sulfide gas. Identification of chloride, nitrate and sulphate. Acid radical chloride. Test. AgNO3 solution added to sample solution. Observation. White precipitate soluble in NH4OH and insoluble in HNO3. Acid radical sulphate. Test. Barium chloride solution is added to the sample solution. Observation. White precipitate is observed. Acid radical nitrate. Concentrated H2SO4 is added to the mixture of sample solution and FeSO4. Brown ring at the junction of two liquids is observed, thus confirming the presence of nitrate in the mixture. Flame test. Sample moistened with concentrated HCl is taken on a platinum wire and heated in the non-luminous part of the flame. If the sample contains potassium ions, we get lilac flame. If the sample contains calcium ion, we get brick red flame. While the sample contains sodium ion, we get golden yellow flame.